The next one related to this chapter, that is the image formation by a concave mirror for different position of the object. Right now we have traced some of the image formations by the concave mirrors as well as the convex mirror. But related to that, somehow there are different and different positions are there. So for the different and different position, where will be the position of the image, what will be the size of that image, and what will be the nature of the image. This is the most important chart. Those students who are going to remember this chart, they can solve any type of the questions related to the mirror. Any type of the question. Just you need to remember this. You need to remember this, that's it. Nothing has to be done more than that. Very good. So let us discuss about this image formation by a concave mirror for different position of the object. Which mirror we are going to discuss here? That is what the concave mirror. First of all, we will discuss the concave mirror, and the second, next one we will discuss about the convex mirror. Okay ना? चलेगा सर, दौड़ेगा नहीं चलेगा. कई बार कहना पड़ता है, अगर कोई चलेगा कहेगा तो दौड़ेगा, अगर कोई दौड़ेगा कहेगा तो चलेगा. So these are the positions of the object, these are the positions of the image, these are the size of the image and the nature of image. Now this one particular, this is the top table is for the concave mirror. Let us discuss. If the object is at infinity, what will be the position? At focus. Size of the image is highly diminished, which is called as the highly diminished means what? Pointly sized. Correct? बहुत छोटी सी होगी. So that is the highly diminished. And what could be the nature of the image? Real and inverted. What could be the nature? Real and inverted. Beyond C, between F and C, how much is this? What will be the size of the image? Diminished. Nature of the image will be what? Real and inverted. That is what the reason I have made like that. Similarly, when the object is placed at the center of curvature, अगर हमने ऑब्जेक्ट कहां पर रखा, at the center of curvature of the concave mirror, then the image will form at the center of curvature itself, and the size of the image is what? Same size. Whatever the size of the object will be there, the same size will be observed there, and the nature of the image is what? Real and inverted. If the object is placed between center of curvature and focus, where will be the position of the image? Beyond C, and size of the image is what? Enlarged, and the nature of image is what? Real and inverted. Now similarly, the fifth case or the fifth position of the object at focus, if the image object is placed at the focus of the concave mirror, then the image will form at the infinity. And the image which is formed at the infinity is what? Highly enlarged. And the nature of the image is what? Real and inverted. Between pole and focus, what is the image? Sorry, what is the position of the object? Behind the mirror. That is what? Size of the image is what? Enlarged, and nature of image is what? Virtual and erect. This is the one of the special case between P and F. Why? Because this is the only case in case of the concave mirror which gives us the virtual and erect image, and rest of all the cases or all the positions of the object we will get the real and inverted image. And in that case, where the image is going to be formed? Behind the mirror. And in the above 5 cases, the image will form in front of the mirror. Clear? In front of the mirror. This is what the overall discussion. What is the position, at what positions of the object, where the image is going to be observed, what could be the size of the image, and what will be the nature of the image. That is what the reason we have discussed here. Similarly here, if you follow the next 2 cases over here, the next chart, that is nature, position and relative size of the image formed by the convex mirror. Actually the same table. This is the position of the image in case of position of the object, in case of the convex mirror, position of the image, size of the image and the nature of the image. You will get the one clear cut picture in the one session itself. Clear? So then let us see where will be the position of object in case of the convex mirror at infinity. Here there are only 2 cases. 1 or 2, that's it. Clear? So here in case of the convex mirror we have only 2 cases. One when the object is placed at the infinity, and then the image will form at the focus F, which means what? Behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. Where is the focus of the convex mirror? Behind. Where is the focus at the center of curvature of the concave mirror? In front. वो आगे होता है, ये पीछे होता है. मतलब इस केस में जो इमेज फॉर्म होगी आपकी कहां पर फॉर्म हो रही है? बिहाइंड द मिरर. एंड द नेचर ऑफ द इमेज इज व्हाट? वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. And the last case, because I already told you that convex mirror has only 2 cases. Now you can place the object between infinity to the pole of the mirror. मतलब आप इन दोनों में से कहीं पर भी अगर ऑब्जेक्ट रखोगे तो आपको जो पोजीशन ऑफ द इमेज है वो कहां पर मिलेगी? बिटवीन पोल एंड फोकस. बिटवीन पोल एंड फोकस के बीच में आपको क्या मिलेगी? image मिलेगी which is obviously behind the mirror and which is what diminished. What is the here? Highly diminished, बहुत pointly sized, and here will be what diminished, and obviously the nature of the image is what virtual and erect. So what do we understand from this chart, overall chart? We understand that it is very clear to understand in the first 5 cases of the concave we have a real and inverted image. Clear? Now as we decrease, or as we decrease the distance between the object and the mirror, so what will happen? The image, the height of the image will goes on increases. Clear? As we decrease the distance between the object and the mirror, then what will happen? Then the size of the image will goes on increases. You can observe highly diminished what highly enlarged. अगर इन्फिनिटी पर है तो जो साइज ऑफ इमेज वो कैसी है? हाईली डिमिनिश्ड है. जब मैं उसको फोकस पर लाऊंगा तब वो कहां पर है? इन्फिनिटी पर फॉर्म हो रही है, लेकिन इमेज कैसी है? एनलार्ज. इसकी जो साइज है बहुत बड़ी हो जाएगी. This is what exactly it is to be called as, and the nature of image is what always in the first 5 cases we are having real and inverted, but only the last case there which has virtual and erect. And what to say about the convex mirror? In case of the convex mirror, in both the cases we are having the virtual and erect only. Getting what I am saying? This is all about the positions of the object at different positions of the object. What is the position of the image, the size of the image, and the nature of the image for both concave mirror as well as convex mirror respectively. Hope it is very much clear to you all.